Let's take a look at example 9 here. And we're going to go over example 9 not because it's a different system, but right in them, I want to make sure you understand what's going on here. So if we read through this, Denzel's starting a food truck business to sell gourmet grilled cheese. He's got to spend $34,000 on his truck. So that's what he's spending, okay? Equipment, permits, and other startup costs. It's also going to cost him $1.32 each to make a sandwich. But then he's going to turn around, he's going to sell the sandwiches for $7 each. So I want to know how many sandwiches does he need to sell to earn a profit? Well, first off, we're going to write two equations. We're going to write one for our cost. So we know it's going to cost him $1.32 for each sandwich, plus it's going to cost him $34,000 for his truck. Then his revenue, or how much he's making, he's just going to have y equals 7x. He doesn't have any other income other than selling the sandwiches. Now, I want to know, when does he start making a profit? I want to know, in other words, when does the profit equal the cost? I want to solve this system, in other words. So let's solve this system. And notice that 34,000 is really going to change how we do our graph. So we're going to go, let's make a new graph. We're going to say y equals, and have short memory, so what was it, 132? Yeah, 132x plus 34,000. And then my profit is going to be 7x. I can definitely see 7x, but notice I can't see that 34,000. So we need to get my graph up there. So let's go, my y-axis, let's change that like from 30,000 to 50,000. And the nice thing is I can always adjust it with my mouse also. But at least I can see my two graphs. In fact, there's my two graphs. Now I got to go over a ways, don't I? It's going to, whoa. Let me change my step to like 100. Maybe that will help. I don't know if it's going to help. I got to go a ways out here, don't I? Okay. Yeah, I'm making a video. Okay, we're getting closer now, aren't we? There we go. There we go. That's where they cross. So it's going to take them a while. So let me view that in. So I'm between 50, what did we say, 57, it's 58.95 and 41,000. So to view this a little bit closer, let's go from, let's change my x from 55,000 to 65,000. And then makes it a little bit easier to see. And I'm going to back up here. There we go. Now it's a little bit easier to see, isn't it? So we're going to say, how many sandwiches do you need to sell? We have to round up, don't we? Because if we sell 59,000 or 5,985. Boy, I couldn't read that, could I? So 5,986 is when he starts to make a profit, doesn't it? So we're going to say 5,986 sandwiches. I was just really messing around with our scales so we can find my answer. And then if we look how much at that point, he'll have made $41,901 to make a profit.